Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to the new PayPal checkout. PayPal checkout offers you a lot of new payment methods that you can offer your customers in your shop. The new payment methods offer more flexibility and therefore you're creating a shop that is more appealing for your customers. For a lot of the new payment methods, the customer does not need a PayPal account. Therefore, should your customer not already have a PayPal account, he can still proceed through the checkout in a fast and easy way using well-known payment methods. Your business is also simplified, as you're only using one integration for a lot of payment methods. You only have one contract partner and only one source of truth where you can view your transactions. With PayPal Checkout, you're always up to date and using the latest technology. This will allow you to add dynamic banners to your product pages and inform your customers about simple payment methods. And in turn, this allows your customer to start and finish the checkout process within a few clicks. So let's start with the setup of PayPal Checkout. Therefore, let's navigate via Settings, Extensions, and PayPal. In my case, I haven't used PayPal yet, and I will now show you how to connect your PayPal account. To connect your PayPal account, you are now presented with two options. The first one is the Connect PayPal Account button. This button should be used if you want to connect your productive shop with PayPal Checkout. The second option is the Connect Sandbox account link. This login is intended to be used for testing purposes in sandbox environments. In this case, I will connect my environment with the Sandbox account. A new window is opened where you are asked for your email. In this case, it's important that you use the email that is stored in your PayPal business account. I'm now going to enter my email address and select my region. In this case, I'm just going to stick to the United States. Go next. Now I'm asked for my password, so I'll enter my password and select login. Now I'm asked to allow PayPal to connect with Shopware Sandbox, so with my shop, and I will accept this and finally connect my account. Now a confirmation is displayed, and I can return back to my shop by selecting the Back to Shopware Sandbox button. Now, as I'm using the Sandbox data, I will switch over to Sandbox. So now I can test all of the payment methods without using real payment data. And when I use the real PayPal account, this step is not necessary. Let's now take a look on how to switch from PayPal Plus to PayPal Checkout. The requirement for this switch is that we've already used the payment methods in our shop. So we've already added our PayPal API data and now only want to switch. In this case, we're also told that with PayPal Checkout, we have the option to use more payment methods. So now there's only one difference to the methods we had before. There are no longer two options, but just the one, and that is Start Onboarding. So now we will start the onboarding by clicking on the button. A new PayPal window opens up, and we are once again asked for our email and region. Afterwards, we click on Continue, and we have to enter our password again, and then log in. Now we will have to confirm that we want to allow the connection. Afterwards, another confirmation will be displayed that that the connection to the account has been successful. So now the connection is ready and we can go back to the shop. And now here another window pops up that tells us that we are not now deactivating PayPal Plus, and we'll continue with PayPal Checkout instead. So therefore all payment methods of PayPal Plus will no longer be available. So as a last step for the switch, we will now confirm the switch and deactivate PayPal Plus. After the onboarding is complete, it's now possible to add the payment methods. The difference between PayPal Plus and PayPal Checkout is that the payment methods now actually all are separate payment methods. So by clicking on the active selector, you can now activate the different payment methods one by one. And if a payment method is not available, you can see the reason for this via the question mark. So in this case, for example, Venmo is only available for the United States. The activated payment methods now have to be added to the sales channel so that they're available in the storefront. So you can see which payment methods are actually available with the dot next to the payment methods. So green says it's available, so I'll take the credit or debit card payment method, add it to the sales channel, and save my settings. In the checkout, I'm now able to see the new payment method as well as PayPal. Selecting it shows the specific configuration that is needed for this method. So with the credit or debit card, for example, the card number, the expiration date, and security code is needed. And after filling in the required fields, I'm now able to finish the checkout process with the new payment method.